Hey everyone, Jonathan Doucette here at St.Albert Dodge. Hope you have an amazing day. I just want to show off a fresh trade we just took in. 2020 Ram 1500 Sport, finished in velvet red pearl. Has an edition which gives you black badging, black headlights rounds, and then of course your black grille. It is a sport, but one of the options on it is a sport hood, so you get a little bit of a raised cowl, and then some moldings on there as well too, really, really sharp. Fog lights, LED headlights, very sharp. It's got a bright, clear, clean white light coming out of those headlights, so it really illuminates the road in front of you. 22-inch rims, getting some Goodyear Eagle tires on there. Very well regarded, very quiet, good in the rain. Keyless entry, so as long as the key's in your pocket, you can lock it, put the hand behind the handle, and then unlock it as well. Power deployable running boards, the customer added those on their AMP research. A little different than the Mopar ones, but you know, kind of the same profile and look pretty good. 5.5 foot box, got the fuel station right there, nice and easily. Bed utility group, so that gives you a bed step here on the back. So just kick it out, and then we're gonna put it away. Give it a kick. Easy open tailgate. And then, well, that's not part of the package, but the rest of the package is the cleat system on the side. So these cleats, you loosen them off, you can slide them around, tighten them back up so they won't move. And of course you have lights. So there's a light on either side. There's a switch here and up front in the cab. We'll turn all three of these lights on. So if you were doing some odds and ends at night, or if you're at a campground and it's dark, you can turn those on and illuminate your whole camp area. I've done that really nicely. Sliding rear window. Also has panoramic sunroof, which is a very rare option on the 21s and 22s. So if that's an option, it's a good truck to get in there. 120 volt inverter in the back. So you have a plug-in right here, plug your fast charging phones, electric cooler, ram bins in the floor. So on either side there's a ram bin. Flip up seats, got the flat floor all the way across. And then there's this fold out tray, so you can tuck that away if you don't need it, or if you want some extra space for putting odds and ends in there. It's very handy to have. Take a look up front. Bucket seats, full leather, power driver seat, heated seats and steering wheel, 12-inch Uconnect screen. Like I say, adaptive cruise control, so on the steering wheel you get your controls for that. You get lane departure, parallel parking and perpendicular parking assist, automatic 4x4, just all the options, telescopic tilt steering, power adjustable pedals, everything that you could possibly want for a luxury vehicle. This truck has it. Come down, take a look, give me a shout on myself, 780-952-3018. We'll talk to you soon.